Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Google Drive files to Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. First, open the file you want to share in Google Drive and click the Share icon at the top right. A Share dialog opens with access controls. Click the Restricted dropdown to see who currently has access. A menu appears showing visibility options for the file. Select anyone with the link so Teams members can open it. Google updates the permissions and you'll see an Access Updated confirmation appear briefly. Click Copy Link at the bottom of the dialog. A link copied toast confirms the URL is on your clipboard. Click Done to close the sharing dialog. Now switch over to Microsoft Teams. Open the chat or channel where you want to post the file and click into the Type a Message box. Paste the link you copied and click the Send button. The link posts to the conversation. After a moment, Teams generates a rich preview showing the file name and document type, making it easy for team members to identify and open. Set the Google Drive link to anyone with the link before sharing. If you leave it as restricted, your team members will hit a permissions error when they try to open it. The link preview takes a few seconds to appear in Teams, especially for larger files or spreadsheets. If someone reports they cannot access the file, go back to Google Drive, open the Share dialog again, and check that the access level is still set correctly. Sometimes organization policies can override your sharing settings. You can share any Google file type this way, including docs, sheets, slides, and PDFs, and they'll all generate previews in the Teams chat. And that's how to add Google Drive files to Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.